Hi, this is Michelle. Today I'm gonna draw a cute Halloween ghost cat as my mobile wallpaper. Let's get started. First, let's set the canvas based on our phone screen size. I will use 1080 by 1920 pixel and set the DPI to 72. Most phones will work reasonably well with this setting. Now we choose black color and 6B pencil under sketching to draw a quick draft. Let's draw the ghost body first. And add the wave line at the bottom. We can always use eraser to adjust our lines. Then add the cat ears. And the cute face with the whiskers. Next, let's draw the two front paws with a pumpkin basket. The ghost cat is a little bit short, so I will make some adjustment here. Then add a small pumpkin hat for our cute ghost cat. Finally, add the text and stars around the cat. Now we finish our draft drawing. Let's create a new layer down below the draft layer and tap two fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Change the brush to Studio Pen and inking. Then we can start to draw our final artwork on the new layer. If you are new here and want to watch more Procreate tutorials, tips, and keep drawing ideas like this, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button below. I will use the selection tool and move tool to rotate the face just a little bit here. Once we finish the outline drawing, we can head the draft layer and start to add some colors in the new layer. We need to change the outline layer to reference. In this way, we can color our drawing easily on a separate layer based on the reference layer. We can just drag and fill the artwork with different colors. Now let's give the background a light yellow color. And fill the white color for some area. Now we can start to add some shadows for the drawing. Create a new layer on top of the coloring layer and change the layer to clipping mask. In this way, the new drawing will only appear based on the parent layer. After that, don't forget to change our outline layer from reference back to normal. Then just add shadows on the new layer. Now we're done for the cute ghost cat drawing. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you next time!